220 Marble and Granite Thick Bed Adhesive is a specially formulated product designed for floor installations. Ideal for a wide range of tiles, natural stones, and manufactured paving units, ensure surfaces are 4 to 32 degrees Celsius, sound, clean, and free of dirt, oil, grease, paint, latents, or sealers. Add 3.5 to 4 liters of clean water to 20 kilograms of 220 Marble and Granite Thick Bed Adhesive. Mix mechanically at slow speed to a smooth, plastic consistency. Let slake for 5 minutes, remix, adjust water slightly as needed for surface weight. Spread 220 Marble and Granite Thick Bed Adhesive, 4 to 40 millimeter thick, enough to cover tiles fully. Press dry tiles firmly, twisting to seat. Back butter raised or studded tiles for complete contact. Adjust within the adhesive's open time to ensure even joints and uniform height. To obtain technical and safety literature, please visit our website at www.laticrete.me.